Our catchment area in particular is one of the most diverse in the country. This allows our cancer centers, our large burn center, our emergency departments to be able to really help a wide range of people.
All these core functionalities of our health center feed into the laboratory, and that laboratory is always on call, always putting out data, and always processing tests.
There's always been a partnership with laboratory professionals and the industry. And this is because the technology is driven by user demand, and our feedback helps define what the manufacturer produces to ultimately meet our needs.
Our starting point for digital health is growing out of the lab environment. We're trying to understand how digital health products can indeed improve outcome and decrease cost. In order for those products to be successful, we need a deep understanding on the use of the products, on the behavioral aspects of the user or the patient, and that requires a deeper relationship at the level of a reference site where we have access to the real-world environment and can test concepts quickly, iterate, and grow the product.
We selected this solution mainly because we already have leveraged a bunch of platforms from this ecosystem. So we are using clinical chemistry analyzers, automated molecular systems, point-of-care diagnostics, bringing in automatic slide scanners. We're always interested in new technology, and also at the same time, we live in a health environment where we need to be more nimble, more efficient in what we do, and likewise do more with the data that we have. And that pretty much speaks to digitization, automation, and perhaps even now entering the realm of predictive analytics.
Fortunately, as our technology increases, we're seeing it on both sides, where we can analyze information faster, better, get more information out of our data that we already have, and then hopefully have computer systems that can help us then make that data that's been analyzed into some purposeful and actionable metrics.
We're using all these technologies not to make our daily lives more efficient and better, but also build a gold mine of data to be able to allow our amazing innovators here to come up with new solutions to improve over time as well.
Digital solutions and tools can have a huge benefit in order to not just identify early, but also to stratify and then to monitor the success of modern therapies and help us to further personalize the offering and the treatment for patients in need. The impact that digital tools can have on delivery is certainly to improve the equality and the standard of care. And at the same time, I believe that these tools can help us to be faster, more cost efficient, and ultimately as well, better in our decision making.
And I can see my entire case on one screen. I can zoom in to the specific cells that I want to look at, compare that to immunohistochemistry that I performed on that case, and by comparing this information on one screen, I can make an informed decision about what this information means to the diagnosis and ultimately to the patient. And again, the data that comes from this and that gets stored can now be cataloged, can be searched, can be used for other functions, whether it be secondary consults, whether it be tumor boards, or whether it be something I can't think of right now because we haven't created it yet.
Be able to identify samples more quickly. We're able to more seamlessly run samples with less personnel. Those personnel don't go away. They become better utilized for bringing up brand new, more advanced tests. Likewise, in the molecular realm, the same software is now being looked at to be able to more integrate with the chemistry side. So you'll see more integration, everyone falling under one ecosystem to be able to advance our everyday operation of providing the fastest and best possible care for patients.
So we've had a robust experience with dealing with digital health data, its delivery, its storage, and how to use that data to impact patient care. Going forward, as we continue to grow our repertoire of digital devices within the healthcare system, we will ultimately be able to take better care of patients, hopefully reduce the cost and redundancy in some of the treatments they might need so that they can have optimal outcomes.
So, just designing digital health products does not deliver outcomes, but understanding how to do this from the beginning to the end, meaning the right data processed in the right way, applied in the right environment by the people in an appropriate fashion, are steps that are ultimately leading to success.
Roche Information Solutions helps its customers to improve the outcomes for their patients and to increase the efficiency in the care delivery. We believe that the collaborations we engage in give competitive advantage not just to ourselves, but also to our customers themselves. Because when we both work on the edge of innovation in digital health, we will deliver better products and better services to patients and to systems.